So you're going to show me what kind of level you're at the moment. So yeah, go on. Go for it.
Pull up on some yellow cat street shit. Faded off the sand, you be sneaking.
Yes guys, welcome to the vlog. An absolutely beautiful day here in London today. The sun is out, it's super fresh, considering it's still windy to be fair, but it's been really windy recently, super grey, rain, everything. And I'm super excited guys, because for the first time in about 2 years, I'm back training one-to-one. And this is just how Rush Athletics started, this is how the brand started. Waking up at 5 in the morning, training one-to-one, then coming home, doing group classes right here at the HQ. And this is how I built the content around making skipping one of the best and most loved cardios around in the world. So today I am going to meet a lovely lady called Tahlia who I hit up on Instagram. She popped up on my feed. I saw she was well into her fitness and I wanted to introduce this bad boy. I wanted to introduce the skipping rope to her and let her electrify her workouts yeah, for the future to come. So we're going to basically try and just document her progression, see how she gets on, and it's really good content for you guys, and I hopefully will provide a lot of value because you're going to see how I train someone one-to-one and how I can get them up to speed and flying like bosses, like I always say. So guys, sit back, relax. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do give it a thumbs up because I know you are going to love it. And yeah, I'm going to get in my car and go check Tahlia in a tick. So I'll see you in the next clip. Peace. She's got her own little goodie bag here. 3 or 4, I can't remember now. 2 or 3 kind of money ropes in there. That should keep her going. Packed up the Explorer backpack. If you guys haven't copped this, make sure you check it out on the website. But I've packed my camera gear in here, change of clothes, and the ropes, of course. And so let's do this. 1:34 people. I'm stuck in traffic. There's so many road closures and nonsense going around Canary Wharf. I am late again. What's wrong with me, man? Even when I try and leave early, I'm still late, and I'm late when I'm just late. So fuck. I just had to park up randomly on the street. I'm dying to go to the toilet. I feel so bad, man. This is like the first training session with her and I'm already late, and I've parked up randomly, God knows where. I'm looking for the toilet now. Oh dear, this is a mess, nightmare. Toilet. Yes, found the toilet. Oh my God, toilet is closed. Fuck. It's absolutely embarrassing, guys. I've run into the mall. I've left my car on some double yellow line. Find the toilets. The hell are the toilets? No freaking toilets here. Right, I'm gonna go into Waitrose. Right, toilet done. I'm all over the shop. This is so bad. Need to get my car. Hopefully it hasn't been towed away.
Level 0. Street level.
It's gone grey. It's gone grey. I've just jinxed it. I feel rain coming down. It's super great. Look, I'm not even. Oh my God. There's me talking about how sunny it was, how beautiful the day was, and it's starting to rain. Man, we got to do this outdoors today. We were thinking of doing an outdoor session. Let's see how it goes, man. Look at this shit I'm carrying. Guys, so I finally found her.
Hey!
This is Tahlia.
That took forever.
Did I say your name right? Tahlia?
Tahlia.
Check this out. It's this weather's shit. I was just, you know what, I did my intro and I was like, oh, what a beautiful day. I was like,
sun's out over there.
Sun's out. This is London, guys. Sorry I'm late.
Are you apologising to me?
Yeah, I'm apologising to you on camera.
Like an hour in this weather.
I just was recording me looking for the toilet. So if any of you want my services, just give me an hour, like yeah, give me an hour leeway.
What do I say?
You just got to say what you do.
Okay, and then
we're trying to figure out how to do this naturally.
Okay.
How would you introduce yourself? Say what's up YouTube.
What's up YouTube?
Go on. What'd you do? Tell them what you do.
Okay, so my name is Tahlia I do a bit of stuff on Instagram, so I post fitness videos, I collaborate with brands, all within the kind of fitness, lifestyle, beauty. You do a bit of everything basically. A bit of everything. I'm going to put on this little bit of the screen here, I'm going to put your profile right here next to you so you can see. Okay. So go follow Tahlia, guys. And what are you doing here? Why have you like accepted my training session? Why are you interested? Well, basically I've seen a lot of his videos on Instagram, and
nice.
He has the faith in me that he thinks that I can do stuff like that, and I don't think I can. So we're gonna see if we're gonna do it. We're gonna see if he can turn me into like one of these
ninjas.
Yeah, one of these ninjas.
Skipping ninjas. That's what they call it. Alright guys, we're gonna get a little session in. I'm gonna keep the camera sort of rolling, and I'm gonna basically teach you. I'm gonna run through some kind of basic moves, and then we're gonna kind of try and ramp it up. And then we're also going to hopefully have some cinematic edits for you guys, so we're going to drop some heat like we always do. This is how I talk to the camera, man. She's looking at me like,
Why
what?
does he do it so naturally?
No, it's not naturally. But we're going to make sure we get some good content for you guys, good value, and I'm going to talk you kind of through, hopefully if I can, what I'm trying to teach her so you guys can learn as well at the same time. So we'll get it.
I'm all pink today.
All pink.
So pink.
So I got your pink rope if you want to get matching with the pink rope.
I'll use a pink rope.
Pink rope.
Pink rope.
So you're going to show me what kind of level you're at the moment. Go for it.
Oh wait, sorry.
You're quite good actually.
So yeah, that's
You're good.
That's my skipping.
You're actually not bad actually. Yes guys, welcome to the commentary. So I'm having a great time today cutting up this video, a good laugh on Sunday, really good training session with Tahlia, and like I said, it was just good to get back into one-to-one client training because it's been about, I guess it's been about 3 years now. So yeah, to get interacting and teaching on this kind of level, I really enjoy it, and I'm going to be doing a lot more like I said. So I'm just going to take you through what I generally go through with my clients when I first meet them, and what I like to see is their rhythm, and to get a really good feel of rhythm and just to get your body in sync. Like I always say, it's always worth trying these one-arm swings. It allows you to understand the weight of the speed rope that you're using, in this case obviously the money rope, and yeah, it just gets your kind of posture, the pattern of your jumps, allows you to stay on the balls of your feet and really understand that when the rope clips the floor, that is when you're going to basically jump. So then we go into actual skipping, and what I wanted her to concentrate on are these kind of one kind of sided high knees, and again this is to allow your body to understand balance. I'm trying to get her to stay in the same place to engage her core and make sure she doesn't kind of go all around the mat. Then we kind of went through these kind of drills here, so kind of teaching her the boxer step, but really teaching her how to shift her weight from left to right. This is something that beginners don't really think about when they're skipping, which is actually the weight transfer, and the weight transfer is what allows you to get in and out of different combinations, different transitions, and also again just to make it look slick as hell. Like I always say, people really concentrate on just making sure that they clear the rope with their feet and don't think about the alignment of their body and this weight transfer. So we talked about this. I tried to make sure that she keeps her heels kind of slightly off the ground, doesn't kind of drive them up too high, again keeping those aesthetics right. Then we started to talk about lunges, and I wanted her to make sure she doesn't let her knees cave in. Again, it's really bad form if you let those knees kind of buckle in, so I told her to kind of focus on keeping those knees straight, kind of forcing them outwards, and that will engage the glutes as well really well. So yeah, that's pretty much what we covered in this first session, and going forward we're going to go through kind of more technical things such as crossovers and side swings, and yeah, talking about how to really control the speed of the rope. How are you feeling?
Amazing.
We're like 10 minutes in.
Am I doing well?
She's doing really well. We're going to show you the lunge step now.
You ready?
Yeah, go for it. This is your first time. Nice. You're natural. Slow it down. It's good. Always learn to do it slow as well. Nice. You're good. Do you feel that burn in your legs, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
This is a good move. Got my main man here, Amar. Say what's up to YouTube, man.
How you doing, man? How you doing?
So we've got Amar down here with his kit. We're going to hopefully get something cinematic, right?
Yes.
He's got a nice little view. It's camera on camera. So yeah, we're going to hopefully get a little edit going on soon, guys. You've been doing well today.
Thank you.
20 minutes in, we've got what we got done. We've got some footwork done. I'm going to teach you some side swings, teach you some crossovers. Where are we going? Oh my god. Ah! Check the weather. The worst thing is I checked the weather today, and it said sunny. My first clip, you'll see when I put the video up, it's like literally like, honestly, it's like, oh, the sun is out. So gassed. Look at this. This is London, friends. This is London, man. We've had like all 4 seasons. If it snows, we've had it all. Oh my god. Look at this. How's your first ever skipping session?
It was really good.
Is it the best cardio ever?
Yeah.
My lens is all wet. We've just had to move under this little underpass here because it is just chucking in the arms. I can't believe how cold it is. How's your hands feeling, Amar?
I can't feel it.
We're the only one that seems to be firm in this is this girl here, man. Soldier, it's crazy. This girl's on a mad one. She still wants to train. She wants to get this shot.
Dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. So no more counting dollars, we'll be counting So no more counting dollars, we'll be
Got some killer shots here with Amar.
Yes.
My girl T has
That
smashed
was
it today.
amazing. That was so good. Thank you so much.
She lasted a good hour skipping. How's your legs
Got all
feeling?
my goodies as well. My legs feel great.
Fully kitted out now.
I know.
Are you on board, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
board.
This is my new spot. I'm gonna come here and practice
That's it.
as much as I can. The next time you guys see me, I'm gonna be as good as him.
Yeah?
No.
Alright, cool. Listen, it's
I'll
nice
be
training
better.
you.
Yeah, it
Big
was
up, man.
amazing.
Lovely to
see
finally
you.
meet you.
I know.
And
Finally.
yeah, we had a good time. Rained a little bit, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So anyway, say bye, Amar.
Peace, bro.
Peace out, YouTube. Peace out, T. She's off.
I'm off. Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
We're not allowed to film her as well. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna get in trouble, aren't I? I'm gonna turn it off. I'm getting in trouble. I'm just recording for YouTube. It's a fitness channel, so I was just recording the vlog, yeah, because I can turn it off. That's fine. Cheers. I've got to turn you guys off. See ya.
I was gonna say, as long as it's personal use.
Yeah, no, it's personal use. It's personal use. Do you want to say hello to YouTube?
Oh no.
Yeah. You sure? Hello, YouTube. No. All right.